We'll guide you through how to use Asana AI Studio to enhance your project management workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Asana website, then log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your main dashboard. You'll see a menu on the left side. Look for the Calculus of You'll find him. Look for the Calculus of and you first enter AI Studio. You'll see a welcome screen with a brief overview of its capabilities. Don't skip this, as it gives you a quick insight into the features. Now, look for the Calculus of usually highlighted at the top of the page. Click on it to start creating a new AI-powered task. Here, you can enter the task name and description. The AI will suggest task details based on the input you provide, which can be a huge time saver. Next, you can assign this task to a team member by clicking on the Assign button. Simply type the team member's name and select them from the drop-down menu. You can also set a due date by clicking on the calendar icon and choosing your desired date. The AI will recommend optimal deadlines based on your project timeline, which is really handy. If you want to add subtasks, look for the Add Subtask option below the main task details. Click on it and input the subtask information. AI Studio will again provide recommendations for subtasks based on your project type. Once everything looks good, click Save to add the task to your project board. AI Studio will continue to provide insights and improvements as the task progresses, so keep an eye on any notifications or suggestions it offers. This can help optimize your workflow and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.